Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. 안녕하세요, 나자입니다. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, 어제는 바로 제 생일이라서 오늘은 선물을 받았거든요. I received this for my birthday present and it's so beautiful. Sangat cantik. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Tadi I tried to angkat tau nak tunjuk, but then this thing like fall onto my cupcake. So I was like, no, I'm just going to put the picture over here so you can see how it is, okay, how the whole set looks like. I'm gonna put a picture down here. Ni macam sayang gila nak makan weh. Ya Allah, terima kasih Terima dan Retzi. Thank you 25 Lurs for giving me the chance to taste their products, newly launched box of happiness. It does make me happy. So if you can see here, this is the egg tart. Okay, it's gonna sleep out of the plate, but yeah, you can see the blueberry. I like blueberry. I really like blueberry. Okay, so this person really knows what I like. Okay, so we have egg tarts. I'm not gonna eat that yet. I'm gonna show you other things. So this is the next. I don't know what is this. Creme Brulee. Okay, this is nice. I'm gonna have it later. It's also in this box of happiness. You guys don't forget to check out their Instagram. Sebenarnya actually it's my birthday present, but I'm kind of like doing a review on this because it looks so beautiful. Okay, the next one is this ice cream. It's not the kind of ice cream that you see dekat kedai ice cream. So like if I were to show you, it's like this. 예쁘지? 너무 예쁘잖아요. 봐봐, 이거는 아이스크림 모양인데 design is so beautiful. Okay, this one is marshmallows. It's actually there are marshmallows everywhere in this box, so I'm not going to show you that. So this is going to be eaten later also. Okay, now it's the donuts. Look at the design. Amazing, isn't it? So it's one of the things in this box of happiness that you can get at 25 Lurs. The next one is like the kind of dessert that you can see macam dalam anime semua tu kan. So this is called fruit tart. I think. Okay, I tak ada nama pun, tapi I just bagi je nama dia fruit tart. Nampak tak blueberry tu berapa banyak atas ni, Masya Allah. I can't wait to try this. Okay guys, so I'm not going to be trying this in front of you guys. So thank you Puteri and Amal for the presents. Amal gave me flowers for my birthday. Put gave me this. Amal also a part of this, so I'm so grateful. Okay, so I think my video ends here today. Thank you for watching this video. So if you want to try this box of happiness or you want to get it for someone, you can go to I'm going to put their link in the description box down below. So yep, and thank you Amal for the flowers. I finally get real flowers. So if you guys realized in my previous videos, I always edited flowers, like fake flowers, into my videos like this. 널어서 준 거야. But now I'm getting real flowers and I'm so happy about it. I can actually hold it and I don't have to just add the picture over here, isn't it? So thank you Amal for this, and thank you Putri Madiha for getting me all kinds of desserts I've never tried before. This is like something that I've never dreamed of. Like, hey, I've never seen this kind of thing before. Okay, maybe because I'm not the type who like go and find out. But thank you Put for letting me know. And thank you again everyone. So, and siapa-siapa yang tengah menanti video bahasa Korea Naja tu jangan risau. Next video it will be on 가지고. 제가 많이 먹어가지고 일이 좀 너무 많이 있어가지고 가지고도. So doakan Naja ada diberikan masa dan kesihatan yang baik untuk nak teruskan berkongsi dengan semua. So I think video hari ini sampai sini sahaja dulu. Thank you for watching this video. If for more videos from me, you can subscribe to this channel. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. 또 만나요.